Sculpey clay is fun and easy to use. See how we use Sculpey to create this cute elephant figurine right here at BoardBox. Choose colors of your choice and glass or metal beads for decoration. Begin by kneading the clay in your hands to soften it. Once it's soft, break off a small piece for the head. Roll it in your hands to form a ball and set it aside. Break off a slightly larger piece to create the body. Then roll it in your hands to form a ball. Connect the head and the body together. Make a neck by breaking off a small amount of clay and placing it in between the head and the body. Smooth the pieces together with your fingers to create one form. Use your fingers to pull out the clay on the head of the figure to form a small trunk. Roll a small piece of clay into a cylinder shape for the leg and attach by smoothing onto the body with your fingers. Repeat for all 4 legs. Break off another small piece of clay for the tail and roll it between your fingers to shape and attach. Shape 2 small pancake pieces for the ears and attach by smoothing. Use 2 glass or metal beads to press into the face of the elephant for the eyes. Make sure they are secure. Mix 2 colored clays and softly knead together to create a marble design blanket for the elephant's back. Use more beads to decorate the blanket. Bake in the oven for 40 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit to harden, and your cute little elephant is complete.
For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboardbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!